Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your eyebrows fleeked on a budget. So without further ado, let's just get to the tutorial. To achieve a perfect eyebrow look, I only use 3 things, guys. The first thing is any eyebrow pencil of your choice. I always go for a dark brown because my eyebrows are dark brown, and then I go for a concealer. Now when you go for a concealer, you always want to go for a color that is slightly lighter than your skin tone because you want to give off that effect of you just getting your eyebrows waxed. So today I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. So let's get to it. Come closer. Come closer. A little bit more. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, so right now my eyebrows are not done. They're not waxed. I actually don't get waxes because my skin is so sensitive that I'll start breaking out with rashes and hives around my eyebrows. So I just work with what I got. The first thing that I do is to shape them. I go ahead and I choose which eyebrow that I'm going to be going for, but I always go for the eyebrow with more hair. I start from the center right here, and then I go across until I get to the end. I feel as if everybody has a natural eyebrow shape, but you just have to find one that really suits your face. So I start from here, and I draw a line, right? And I draw a line, and then I end up curving it because my eyebrows do curve. And then I go and I bring it on down. Now I try not to press it down on my skin because I do not want really harsh lines on my eyebrows. So you just do it slightly and you do the same thing to the top. I don't really care about any mistakes because with the concealer you're able to correct any mistakes that you make. So after I connect the 2 lines at the end, I go ahead and all the little empty spaces, I just do like a soft brush over it. And I continue to do that. Now when it comes to the center, I try to lessen the stroke so it's not too hard of a line. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Now because this eyebrow is naturally thicker than this eyebrow, I go ahead and I make this one a little bit thicker as well. And don't worry, it may look crazy right now, but remember your concealer is your best friend. I'm gonna go in softly. So it should look like this. Now this one looks a little bit thicker around this area than this one, but don't even worry about it because with your concealer you can perfect it. I'm gonna go in with the other half of my eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna use that spoolie and I'm just gonna comb it out so it gets rid of many of the harsh lines. So I just want my eyebrows to look as full and natural looking as possible. It was a harsh line. And then when it comes to the center, I go ahead and I brush it outwards and then swoop it in. Here's like my favorite part, guys. So I take the Milani Conceal and Perfect and then I take a flat brush. I got this brush a part of like a lot of brushes. You can get any type of brush you want or that you can use, but I always use something that's a little bit flat on that side. I go ahead and I open the Milani, and on the applicator, that's all I need. I do not double dip it into the product. I take the brush and I just brush it on there like so. Then I start off right here in the beginning of my eyebrow, and then I just go ahead and I trace it. Now when you're tracing, you just have to concentrate and get an initial shape, and then you can go back over, and then I brush down. And then when I brush down, I go ahead and I try and blend it out so the lines are not as harsh. And I always bring it down. With my beauty blender, mine is a little bit dirty right now, but with my beauty blender, I go ahead and I tap it in, and it just softens the concealer out into the skin so it's not as visible that you did your eyebrows. Then I go over it one more time. I want it to look a little bit lighter at the bottom. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the same exact thing on this side. And remember guys, this was the eyebrow that gives me problems, so I just have to find my way with this. Once I got an initial shape, I'll just go ahead and I'll just blend it just like the other one, and then pull down to blend in with the rest of my eyes. And I really like this concealer because it helps me cover up a lot of dark spots, like the ring around the eyes. And I'll add a little bit more to my lid on this side as well. Tap it in with my beauty blender. You can use it damp, but I just choose not to. So then I'm gonna start doing the top row of my eyebrows. So I did take a little bit more concealer. I did not dip this back into the bottle. I still have it out. So I'm just using a little bit of product, and with you doing your eyebrows this way, you're not wasting a lot of product, so you don't have to go and re-up. So I'm gonna start at the top. I'm just gonna line it. And I always think of this as like kind of like a roller coaster. You always want to start smoothly and you go up, and then you just slide down. And that's supposed to give you that perfect little cut right there. And then you can go ahead and brush it upward. And I kind of have, a longer time doing that step because my eyebrows and my hairline is so close. So, excuse me for that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Some of my friends choose to do the Aeropostale bird method, but I don't know. I just feel like it's easier when I do like one by one. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna brush it downward. Brush it upward, brush it downward, and then I'm gonna just tap the top part to just try and get it to blend in well with my skin. Now I do this step right before I do any type of makeup on my face because, like I said in my other videos, your eyebrows make the face. You can have a V face, but if you have no eyebrows or if you don't have nice eyebrows, then your face is like a mess. So this is the finished look. So guys, this is how I achieve perfect brows. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys really learned a lot. I hope you guys not walking around with crooked eyebrows after watching my video. I hope it changes your life, okay? Like it changed mine. And if you want to stay notified whenever I do upload a video, don't forget to click that bell so that whenever I do upload, you'll be notified. Thank you guys so much again, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.